Have you ever stopped to ponder? Are you urinating correctly? Sure, it's a natural process, but there's an art and science to it that goes beyond just going with the flow. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of urinary health because, believe it or not, there's a right way and a wrong way to pee. Step 1, and this may surprise you, is to sit, not stand. Even for men. Why, you ask? Sitting down ensures the bladder empties entirely, reducing the risk of urinary tract infections. It's a small change that could make a world of difference to your urinary health. Step 2 involves timing. You've probably heard it's good to hold it in to strengthen your bladder. That's a myth. Holding in urine for extended periods can lead to infections and bladder damage. Aim to visit the bathroom every 3 to 4 hours. Waiting too long or going too often can disrupt your bladder's normal rhythm. Step 3 is about hydration. Drink plenty of water, but not too much. Overhydration can lead to frequent urination and even kidney damage. Aim for around 8 glasses of water a day, but remember, this can vary depending on factors like your diet, lifestyle, and climate. Step 4 is all about relaxation. Your body should be relaxed while urinating. If you're straining, it could be a sign of urinary issues that may need medical attention. Remember, peeing should be pressure-free. Step 5, and the final step, is about cleanliness. Always clean from front to back to avoid the spread of bacteria and potential infections. It's a simple step, but it's crucial for maintaining urinary health. So to sum it up, sit, don't stand. Time your trips to the bathroom. Stay hydrated, but don't overdo it. Relax, don't strain, and always clean from front to back. These steps may seem basic, but they're fundamental to maintaining a healthy urinary system. So the next time nature calls, remember these tips and ensure you're peeing the right way. Remember, it's not just about getting the job done, it's about doing it right. Because when it comes to your health, especially something as fundamental as this, every little detail counts. So here's to happier, healthier urination, one bathroom trip at a time.
Commit your way to the Lord, trust also in him, and he shall bring it to pass. Psalm 37 verse 5. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Philippians 4 verse 13.